Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Dan. I'm the technical writer here at ShipWorks, and I'll be helping you connect ShipWorks to USPS without postage. To get started, go ahead and click on the Manage tab at the top of ShipWorks. Then you'll click on the Shipping Settings button. On the Shipping Settings screen, go ahead and select USPS without postage, and then click on the Setup button. Review the important information on this screen. When you've reviewed it, go ahead and click Next. And on the next screen, we have the option to add additional origin addresses. So if you do ship from multiple locations, you can enter those origin addresses, and that allows you to select from them when you are creating a shipment using USPS without postage. We don't actually ship with multiple warehouses, so we're just going to cancel out of that screen here. Go ahead and click Next once you've entered in any origin addresses you need to. And then on this screen, this is our base default screen. What's nice about this screen is we can go into the defaults link and set our base defaults, meaning when we select USPS without postage as our shipping provider, these are the settings that get applied automatically for us so that we don't have to select those every time we go to ship a package. So you could enter in the service or dimensions, scroll down, there's several options available to you here. Once you've set those defaults, go ahead and click OK, and then click Next again. That'll take you to the next screen. One important thing to note about USPS without postage is that it only supports a standard printer. So you'll be printing to a standard inkjet or laser printer. Go ahead and click Next. You can add an additional email account to ShipWorks if you choose to. For example, if you want ShipWorks to automatically send a shipment notification to your customers, you can add that. We are not going to configure that today. There are other tutorials that'll guide you through that if you would like. Click Next, and that's really it. You are set up and ready to roll, so go ahead and click Finish. You're now connected to USPS without postage. I do want to mention that there's a couple of additional defaults that you can configure. There are available services and available package types available to you. By turning these on or off, it controls what you see on the shipping screen. So when you're configuring a shipment with USPS without postage, by turning these off, it cleans up the interface a little bit for things that you may not use. Once you've configured those, go ahead and click Close. You are now set up and configured to process shipments using USPS without postage. Thanks again.